The future is sovereign. Your data, your body.
Transparent algorithms mean a transparent world.
True economic intelligence is shared intelligence.
Educating the future generation. Only by balancing the data can we ensure fair AI for everyone. Growing together. Mind and machine symbiosis.
The rulebook for a fair financial future. Integrity without boundaries.
Equality achieved. The final goal for all of us. Biophilic finance. Serving the planet. Universal prosperity is within reach.
Seeing clearly. No more ghosts. Humanity first. Technology with a pulse. Collective wisdom. United community. Shared success for all boats. Protecting the vulnerable.
Market peace. The end of the bypass war.
Deep security at the atomic level.
The ghost is gone. No more invisible hand stealing your life. The new dawn of intelligence. Join the movement. Claim your destiny.
The Sentinel's motto for a new age. Stay sharp. Stay safe. The world of TradingMaster AI. TradingMaster AI. Unmask the ghost.